Let's walk? Let's walk na lang?
Walk?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
There's a garbage truck. Yeah. Yes, this one. Yes.
Garbage truck.
Blue. This is the color.
Wow.
What color is this? Green. Shall we walk home? Are you sure?
Walk home. Wow. McQueen.
Kenji, look what's that?
McQueen.
What's that? McQueen?
McQueen.
Do you want to ride McQueen? Yes. Huh?
Huh?
You want to put your bag inside McQueen? Yes? Put
Yes.
your bag inside McQueen.
Yeah.
Oh, say close, McQueen. Oh, it's closing on its own.
Closing on its
Daddy.
own.
Okay, open. Wow! Is this your car, Kenji? Is this Kenji's car?
This car? Wow.
Oh,
Oh, ano?
is
Ano?
this Kenji's car? Why you?
No, sit
Here,
there.
this is your car seat.
Sit.
Do you remember you unboxed this one? Oh, go. Sit down. Uh-oh.
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 Wow. Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Are you too big for this? Huh? No.
Okay.
Yes. Do you like your car?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Woo, Reddy's all set. Kenji's all set.
Bike. Hey, bike.
Wow, Kenji, we're moving. We're inside
That's it. That's it. Yuna. Ano?
Hello.
What will you say?
Hello.
Interview with Yuna.
I'm happy. I finally have the tour. I was like asking my teacher, when are we going? When are we going? Quando si va fuori? Quando si va fuori?
Kenji's talking to. Inside. Go inside.
There are leaves inside. It's beautiful. I love the leaves. Want to sleep?
Go.
I'm tired.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, Chachi,
Yuna, this is
our car. So happy right now.
Wow.
And for this, I was like, whoa. Okay, so guys, this is the first time that I was inside my car because I really wasn't expecting to like that. I was like, wow. But then I said, because I saw the GC, so happy. Look outside, it's beautiful. It's so cool.
Red car.
This is so cool.
Ah, there's white
So
car.
happy that we finally got the car now. And Dad is driving. Oh my gosh. I never was like inside of a car riding my own car or our own car, because yeah, it was happy. Yeah, very happy. I was like so stressed. Oh my gosh. And I was like, when are we going? When are we going? When are we going? And I was like waiting when school ended, and I was like, there's a car there. Yep, I really like it. I really like it.
Later.
Okay, so guys, we're going to McDonald's, and it's so cool. First time into the drive-thru. Kenji?
I'm going to like McDonald's.
We're in the drive-thru now. We're on the drive-thru. The drive-thru.
What will you order?
Crispy McBacon.
Okay, Happy Meal and then
Yep, for me.
McDrive.
McDrive, the Mac.
Guys.
I'm excited. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, McDonald's.
McDonald's. Yeah. McDonald's Drive-Thru. 2 Happy Meals? Kenji, 2 Happy Meals? Oh, yeah, McDonald's. McDonald's. Here. Somewhere.
And
barbecue.
And barbecue. And
Sauce.
barbecue sauce for Kenji. Okay, let's order. It says order na qui. So let's order. Baba mo. Okay.
Salve. Vogliamo 2 Happy Meal?
Con l'hamburger?
No, con
Chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets entrambi.
Coca-Cola va bene da bene?
No, tela pesca.
Perfetto.
Poi 3 panino crispy McBacon.
Solo panino, non
Sì,
menù.
sì, solo panino.
Poi?
Poi salsa. Cosa vuoi salsa?
Barbecue.
Agrodolce e barbecue. 2 barbecue e 2 agrodolce.
Perfetto.
A posto così.
Dati panino.
Ok, benissimo.
Cosa volete?
Ultimo sportello 23,15, grazie.
No, aspetta un attimo.
Aggiungiamo
Aggiungiamo
Hamburger.
un hamburger. Solo
Ok,
hamburger.
Panino.
benissimo. Vuole altro, signore?
No, a posto così.
All'ultimo sportello 24,15, grazie.
Grazie.
Grazie. Yay!
Oh my gosh. First time ordering from a drive-thru. First time for me. And first time for you. And first time for both of you. And first time for us.
Kenji? Ah. Drive-thru. AS. Where's AS? Okay, here's the food. Okay, the food is here. Wow. Okay, we're going to find. Again.
Oh my gosh. So guys, now the food is here. Can you stop kicking, please? I'm so excited to eat that from a drive-thru.
Sanitizer.
I already did.
Done.
I did. Kenji, how about Kenji?
Kenji, did you sanitize your hand?
No.
Not yet? Okay, then sanitize. Hands.
No.
No, because it's been done it.
Okay.
Okay, that's why he's saying no already. Okay, Kenji!
Kenji.
Happy Meal! Sino may mukha?
What
Okay.
did you say?
Okay, we got some way Happy Meal.
I'll open it.
Ate.
I'll put the jacket here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I've got your drinks here.
Careful.
Drinks and your...
Drinks later, huh?
you can drinks later.
Please, open please. Help her.
Okay, help Kenji, help him.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and then you still have your crispy McBacon here. Ooh, Yuna. Ooh.
I'll leave that for later.
Okay,
Kenji,
later.
this is yours.
Now let's see it.
And then this is Kenji's burger. Okay, Kenji's burger for
Just
later.
one burger.
Okay.
And Daddy's.
Kiss mine. Okay, bye-bye.
Daddy's and Mommy too.
See you later. When we're
Okay.
done.
Mommy, we
Bye-bye.
swapped. We
Okay.
swapped. We swapped. He has the.
Ate, Kenji. Give Kenji the fries.
I'm eating the fries.
And give Kenji some fries. Your fries now.
It's your fries.
Kenji, eat fries.
He doesn't want it yet because he's playing with the toys.
Okay. Daddy's Oh, Kenji's eating fries. Yay. So you can have your nuggets and fries and then your drinks later. Drinks and burger later. Okay? Enjoy. You can have the nuggets too. You have the nuggets here. Kenji, yummy. He knows how to eat. What's Yuna?
The phone is upside down. I think.
No, it is. Yummy. Okay. So we're. Whoa, it's already dark. It's only 7 o'clock here, but since it's winter, nearly winter, it's already dark. Ooh, driving at night, Daddy. We're going home. So you had to go all the way back. And this is the McDonald's where we had our drive-thru. That's the McDonald's. Bye bye, McDonald's. McDonald's.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm so happy that I finally got this car. Remember, life is full of surprises and Jesus loves you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you, Jesus, for this car.
Tito,